Hey, hello, welcome pen friends. So firstly, kindly ignore my inky hands, and today I am going to show you a beautiful Indian historical fountain pen, a Wilson Vacumatic. So this pen is generally made during 1950s-60s around. So why this pen is too famous in India? Because this pen is a totally copy of a Parker Vacumatic. Let's zoom in first, and as you can see, kindly ignore my inky hands because I love to repair fountain pens, so I just give these pens a beautiful polish. As you can see, that's why this pen shines so much. This pen has written Wilson over the clip, and you see a brass clip and gold plated beautiful finial and a brass ring, thick ring, and beautiful design Wilson also written there. And this all made out of celluloid. As you can see, this is blue celluloid. This change color due to the oil from hands, and this gives a beautiful nice patina. Let's open the cap. This reveals a beautiful ebonite section and a beautiful Wilson Osni iridium tipped nib and a lovely ebonite feed. And let's open the blind cap also, and it reveals a plunger. This fountain pen is professionally repaired, and this pen takes a nice USA made original diagram new, and this works very well. Let's open the section. This reveals front breathing pipe also, which help to pen fill nicely. This is semi-transparent, as you can see. Now fill this pen with water. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 is enough. As you can see, this pen fills nicely. I don't want to fill this pen with ink because Vacumatics is very difficult to clean nicely, but I do dip test. So friend, let's check how this pen writes. So we have a beautiful Wilson Vacumatic, Indian historical fountain pen. So as you can see, this is nice, smooth and wet too. So friend, this is the beautiful review of this beautiful vintage Wilson fountain pen, Indian historical fountain pen, beautiful antique fountain pen. So this pen is very rare in India. Anyhow, this is a lovely pen.